Welcome to Maths with Sowmya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
This question involve finding the sum. So given find the sum of the AP, this is to 10 terms. So take the value of A. A is 2, D is 7 minus 2, 5. N is given 10. We apply the formula sum formula for this. 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Yes, 10th term till 10 terms sum we have to find. 2 into 2 plus this is 10 minus 1, D is 5. Four plus 9 into 5 here. The sum of 10 terms is 245. We got the answer.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
In this sum, it is simple. Already given A is 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50. Even you can take it as TN also. Nth term is given. You have to find the value of N and Sn. So we can take Tn. Tn is 50. A plus N minus 1 into D. 50. A is 5 plus N value I don't know. But D value is given to me. 3n minus 3, 45 plus 3 is equal to 3n. 48 is equal to 3n. N is 48 by 3. So n value we got, which is 16 is the value of n. So using which I can find Sn now. We got here n is equal to 16. Apply the formula. Yes, 16 by 2, 2 into 5 plus n minus 1, 16 minus 1, D is 3. This will go 8. 15 into 3. 10 plus 45. Yes, 16 will be 440 will be the answer. So we got both the things asked. N is 16 and sum of the 16 terms are 440.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
In this sum, we have given A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90. We have been asked to find N and An. An or even we can take Tn, which we have to find. We have been given the value for Sn, so let us take the formula of the Sn. This is given 90, n value we don't know. This one we know, 2 into 2 plus n minus 1, 8. Cross multiply this one, n 4 plus 8n minus 8. This will give me n into 8n minus 4, 8n square minus 4n. So 8n square minus 4n minus 180 is equal to 0. We can take the 4 common factor. Four will go down, so it will anyhow come to 0. The other side. So we are left out here with 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. We can easily find the value for this. So 45 into 2, quadratic, minus 45 into 2, we will reach minus 90. Middle one is minus 1. So with 90 if you go, so we can take 10 and 9. We can get the value minus 1. Therefore, n minus 5 and 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. It is the product, so one of the product must be 0 here. So either n minus 5 should be 0 or 2n plus 9 is 0. N is equal to 5 or n is minus 9 by 2. N cannot be negative, even it cannot be a fraction. So n cannot be negative nor a fraction. Therefore, n is equal to 5 is our answer. So we got the value of n. N is equal to 5. We got this particular one. We have to find Tn. T5. A is 2. 5 minus 1, 4. So we got both the answers asked. So you can finally give your answer. N is equal to 5 and T5 is equal to 34 is the answer.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
This is another question from NCERT. Here given first term of AP is 5, last term is 45 and sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. So first term is given 5, last term is given 45, last term is nothing but Tn also we can take, and sum of the terms are given 400. So we can easily find, we have another formula. When we have both the first and the last term, we can directly apply this formula. So this is 400 given. N value we need to find. This is 5 plus 45. So N is equal to, here 400 into 2 which is equal to N 50. N is equal to 400 into 2 divided by 50. Value of N is 16. So value of N we got directly. Now we can find the rest of the thing. We have to find the common difference using this. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. N is 16 we have already. So T16 is equal to 5 plus 16 minus 1 into D, because I don't know D. Tn we know last term is nothing but Tn or An. So 45 is equal to 5 plus 15D. 45 minus 5 is equal to 15D. This will give me 40 is equal to 15D. D is nothing but 40 divided by 15. Therefore, value of D is 8 by 3. This is the common difference. So, N value we got 16 and value of D is 8 by 3.
Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe.